Got a gopher in this.
Oi! Dude! My rod, my rod!
Welcome to Rod Dog Adventures and a big welcome back to the Rod Dog Pack, baby. And today we got the rods, the spears, the boat, and some beers. And we're on a mission to catch some fish and hopefully cook them up on a fire and sit at the campsite. And it didn't take long for the action to kick off.
I think so. You got him?
Hey!
Yes, boys! Look at that fish, boys.
And just as I landed this absolutely beautiful queen snapper, Tom's rod just started screaming.
No, not a salmon.
Sambo, surely.
Yeah, it's definitely not salmon. Can you get that rod out of my face? But no. It's like that.
Jeez.
You got a water bottle? You might need to. Oh shit, man. Surely someone could have got this on their big rod. Yeah. It's not a gopher, is this? No? Don't know, man.
That's Sambo.
Yeah. Oh, it's tight, drag.
You'll tire him out, bro.
I'm gonna run out of line, man. Oh!
Came off.
Snapped.
Sadly, the fish that Tom hooked was just a little bit too big for his setup, and it managed to snap the line. And that's just the reality of fishing, and we'll get him next time. But for now, I decided I'm going to tie on a big shiny jig and hopefully entice what's ever down there to take a swipe at my lure.
Jeez, yeah, somebody just grabbed this rod. Jeez. Yeah. Yeah, you just reeled that one in. Jeez, that hit on. He's off. Yeah, he just got off.
I know, Robert. It's not on the jig.
Yeah.
Oh, one more drop and then we go.
Got him.
Okay.
I reckon 7-2. Jeez. Oh.
Bring it, bro.
Yes.
Bring it. Could be a king. Still got it?
Yeah. Oh!
Bring it, Tom, bring it.
Ooh, Tom's on.
Bring it, brother. Let me get the net here.
Hey.
Hey, this is your salmon, bro.
Right, Tom?
Oh, no.
It's a salmon. Oh, he's caught my line too. Oi! Jeez! Jeez! Holy shit! Oh, my rod, my rod, my rod! My rod!
Be careful.
And just like that, I lost one of my favorite fishing rods in the whole world. But shit happens, and here's what happened. If you look closely, you can see my jig dangling in the water. Then all of a sudden, a fish just comes in, crushes it. And the fish just ran straight down and behind me underneath the boat. And that pulled the rod at a weird angle. But I actually had a broken knuckle at the time on my left hand. And all that pressure on that one knuckle just made my hand give way. And the rod went straight into the water. I tried to hurry as fast as I could to get my GoPro and jacket off, but I was too late. On the bright side though, it was time to put on the wetsuit, hop in the water, and maybe get lucky and spear some good eating fish with the spear guns. And after a while, I didn't find anything more to shoot. So I decided it's time that we head in, get the boat on the trailer, and then start a wicked fire and get some well-deserved fish cooked on the coals. Between the three of us, none of us remember that the JBL was playing in the background, so sadly I cannot use the original audio, but pretty much what I'm saying is I'm super happy that it cooked so well, got a nice thick bit of wing right here, and I'm about to give it the taste test that we've been waiting all night for. Let's see how it goes. At first there was a little bit of a bone, then I got a big chunk and ate it, and man, it was literally perfect, guys. So the boys all absolutely devoured the rest of the fish, and here's what's coming on next week's video.
Holy shit!
Holy shit, how did you manage that?